Good morning. It's January 18th. It's literally a whiteout here in Canada. We are on our way to the good God. Okay, so we're on our way to the United States of America to go to Trader Joe's. I'm going to get killed in this car.
I'm a safer driver than you.
A safer driver. Negative. I have a bunch of Q&A questions.
Okay.
So we're gonna do a Q&A on our drive, and hopefully there'll be some good scenic views. Okay, so we have a Q&A. What is it called when you do it on Instagram? It's like a story poll. Anyways, so we have, what's your favorite color? Probably black.
Shit. Blue.
Blue. Itchy hands or itchy feet?
Itchy hands.
Probably itchy hands, yeah.
Because what if your feet are in boots?
That's very true. Yeah, you would never be able to wear boots. What's your most used emoji?
The laughing face.
The laughing face. I think mine's the devil, like the purple devil with the smirk, or it's the one where the eyes are like wonky with the tongue sticking out. Do you want to be in World War III?
No.
No. Canada or America?
America.
I don't know, that's a hard one. I feel like I really love Canada, but America has Trader Joe's.
That's like Florida.
Yeah, that's very true.
Florida wants some people to come be a part of Canada.
Canada? Yeah.
Actually, no. Florida people are weird.
Yeah, did you ever do that challenge where it's like, look up your birthday?
June 20th, like Florida man.
Yeah.
I forgot what mine was, but I was like, that's weird.
Yeah. So my answer will probably be, I think Canada. I really like Canada. Will you give your sister a horse for her B-Day?
No.
Negative. What's your favorite show? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, The Ranch.
The Ranch.
I kind of forgot what the name was of it.
What? How did you?
Because we haven't watched it. We
I know. Well, we can watch it tonight. Scholes or Andre?
Andre. I swear. If you don't say me, I'm turning this
Andre.
car. I'm turning this car around.
It's Andre.
Don't make that face. Yeah, I saw that. Turn this car around.
No. I love you both equally. She bit me the other day, so well, you spit gum on my hand today, so I mean that's not any better. Your favorite song?
I don't have a favorite song. Oh, I have a favorite song.
Parallel Lines by Keith Urban. I like that song too. I think that's my favorite song too, quite honestly. Oh my gosh, this is a good one. Whole Foods or Trader Joe's? It's funny because we're on our way to Trader Joe's now. You know what?
Oh, I have no idea.
We'll do that question later after we go to Trader Joe's, so then Andre can answer that question truthfully because you don't know.
Whole Foods.
Kevin or Kahlua?
Kevin.
Yeah, I think Kevin. But
Look, it's your twin.
Stop!
Oh my god.
The side view mirror is hanging off.
Do you think it even got any of that?
Well, I'm gonna check. Okay. What's your favorite food?
Pasta.
I think my favorite food is
Freshly Thai.
Thai food. Homemade food, probably
Oatmeal.
oatmeal. Oh, I love oatmeal. You still in the army, bud? Am I still in the army? Yes. I am. I just have to switch.
Well,
I have to move
reserve.
location. I'm in reserves. Wow. Oh my gosh. So we're passing over the lake right now, and you cannot see me.
Next question.
Okay, that's all the questions I have for now. We are currently, how many minutes in are we? We're like
almost an hour.
Almost an hour in. The roads look a lot better though.
Yeah, but because everybody's driving. To our left, water. You can't see it. There's water.
just a fence. Also, guess what? I have to pee. So we might have to take a bathroom break soon. I'll give you updated. New York, baby.
65.
New York.
What? 65 is higher than our. It's about the same almost.
We're only
26 minutes.
26 minutes out from Trader Joe's. We have officially made it to Trader Joe's, the happiest place in the entire world. Oh, we're entering Trader Joe's.
Yeah.
Everything but the bagel dip. Spicy avocado hummus. So cute. We've got all the goods. See you next time.
I forgot that we were in Buffalo.
Oh yeah, there's the buffalo.
They have a lot of buffaloes.
They do have a lot of buffaloes. It is currently 2 o'clock. We just finished our Trader Joe's haul. Oh my god, not our Trader Joe's haul. We just finished shopping at Trader Joe's. We've got a big bag of snacks back there. Can't wait. We're gonna go get food. And then we're gonna go to Target.
Have you ever been to Chili's?
Yep.
Was it good?
I don't know. I was like 8 or 9.
I'm not taking my chances.
Chili's. Wow, look at her. Look at that. That is literally massive. Put your phone beside it to show how big it is. We are on Dunkin. Stop number 3. No, what is this, number 4?
Okay, good enough. You got that. They smell good.
They look pretty good. Okay, let's give me a taste test.
Which one should I taste?
It tastes like a regular donut. It tastes like a Tim Hortons donut.
Oh! That's not funny. Oh. Boom. Take a bite of this.
Is it just regular cream on the inside? There it is. Target. We officially made it. We've got the goldfish and a triple shot espresso. This is like heaven. Oh, I love their bathroom stuff. This is literally so cool. Oat milk yogurt. How you doing? Good. Coconut. Oh my gosh. Maybe we get blueberry.
Honey wheat.
Chick-fil-A.
Chipotle ranch.
Oh, Chipotle ranch. We definitely do not have those. The cheese ball bucket. Babe, I'm just grabbing a snack for later, okay? Dinner tonight. Okay. How's Target? How did you find it? It was all right. So we're going home now. We got another coffee. Good morning. It is, actually no, it's the afternoon. It's already 2:30. We got up at 12:30. And we just did our giant Trader Joe's, what was yours, sir? Target food haul, taste testing. Oh, yeah. This is the remnants. It was super good. I think the best thing that we had, had to be these carrots. That or forgot about these, baby pineapple. So good. Loved every second of it. So I think now, what are we gonna do now? I could do some editing. He's gonna fix my mom's dishwasher. Yeah, it's just a chill day, just relaxing.
Okay.
Yeah, put those down. You're gonna eat the entire box. Oh, show how big it is. This is huge. It's literally
2 pounds.
This is next to my hand. Last night we decided to start making an igloo at like 10:30.
Kind of. Yeah, we're gonna rent it out.
We're gonna rent it out. We're gonna Airbnb it.
Yeah, the snow looks like it's. You know what we should do one night?
What?
Camp out.
We could bring like sleeping bags, but the only thing is we'd have to cover the top because it would get kind of cold.
No one. You have to cover the entrance. You have to put a hole in the top to let the heat get out. It gets really warm in there.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna start doing some editing.
Okay. Ooh, coffee. Stay.
How's it going?
It's going.
It's Sunday night, hair salon night. We're giving a little cut to the hair.
Don't vlog and...
Don't vlog and cut.
Please don't.
I won't. This is super cute. And I kind of made a mess in the bathroom, so it's fun. Oh my gosh. Ew. That's the final.
Do you want to eat it?
Eat it? No.
I think Boris said it.
No. Can you give the viewers a final view? Oh, so cute. Professional. I used the kitchen scissors and the cat's comb.
Yeah, exactly.
It's professional enough. And now we have to clean up that and this. Oh my gosh.
It's gonna be all over your feet.
I know, it already is. Okay, so it is 11:30 on Sunday. Andre left, he went back home. Now I'm having my night tea and I just have my candles lit. So I'm gonna go have a shower. Shoals is up. Ah, hi Shoalsy. Do a little bit of editing.